Hello. Let me show you a cleaning process that's clean your Oriental rug the same way how the pee-pee travel into the rug. When your dog or your cat has urinating on the rug, the pee-pee go through the rug. It go all the way from the top of the rug, all the way down to the bottom of the rug and stop on the wood floor. And some of it even absorb into the wood floor. We at PetPeePee clean your Oriental rug the same way. And this is how we pull out the urine crystal from deep inside the fiber, where it's most of the urine crystal laid. We flood the rug on the top, and the vacuum from under the rug pull everything through the rug with the pee-pee crystal. You don't need them in the rug. This is what caused the urine odor. And because we're using the Dead Sea odor-free cleaning product, we remove the urine odor 100%. And more. The odor-free cleaning product from the Dead Sea that go through the rug, pull all the urine crystal, and it's become yellow, dirty master color. All of this will go through the tube and show me what's coming, what is the vacuum extract from your Oriental rug. All the cleaning product that you use, all the soap, the deodorize, Chanel 5, Estee Lauder, all of this one with the pee-pee, vacuum through the rug and send it to the sewage. PetPeePee, a cleaning process that makes sense.
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too.